YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And today what we're going to be doing, I'm going to be yanking out the front window, and that way you got the, jeez, had my beard stuck in my microphone. Anyways, we're going to be pulling out the front window and see what kind of damage, or if any, we have, or hopefully none, you know. But anyways, I got the rear window out, front one's coming out today. Tomorrow is a rest day, and Monday we're going to pull the doors out and finish up the cab, the inside, and get it primered. So anyways, today's video I'm going to go ahead and show you the window removal. And unfortunately my card was full when we actually pulled the window off, but at least I got it on my action camera. Okay, so eventually we'll get to see it, and I'm pleased the way it came out. And I think the reason, because there's no rust to have to clean up or patch up, it's just surface rust. And I think the reason being is because there was so much glue on the weather stripping that it like protected it and everything. So there's like no holes, no rust to have to cut out and patch up and everything. I got lucky. The auto body gods were on my side, because they knew that I was not gonna be happy. No, actually, screw it. We'll have to cut this part out. But anyways, the auto body gods were on my side, because they knew that I don't need any more work that I have to than I can handle. So anyways, hope you enjoy the video, and let's get to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on yanking this window. I got to get all this rubber cut off. It's pretty hard on there, man. It's like welded itself on there through the years, so it's going to take a little bit to get it all cut out of there, but I'm pretty sure we'll get it. Yeah, it's Saturday morning or afternoon now here in California, and it's warm, but you know what, I got this canopy up over my head. As long as the sun's out of my way, thank you, we'll be okay. How's everybody else doing on their Saturday afternoon? Hope y'all having a good weekend so far. Yeah, there's actually a cool little breeze going on here, so that's helping keep the heat down a little bit. It's very quiet in the neighborhood, although I do live in a cul-de-sac, so that helps keep the traffic down some. You know? Yeah, this weather stripping's like rock solid, man. You gotta like chip it away. Yep, there we go. We're getting there, little by little. So, luckily, Thursday when I took the rear window out, good thing there wasn't any major rust problems at all that I have to address. There's like one little dent, which no biggie. A pair of channel locks is just going to go ahead and pop that out of place, you know. And the rest of it is just like super minor surface rust. So, and the thing that surprised me though, because I had never done it before, so is how heavy the window, that back window, it was heavy. Hell, for yeah. Need some help? Okay, so after a slight intermission, nothing of any emergencies, just helping my wife out a little bit. But anyway, let's get back to this. As I was saying, when I took that back window off, which I had never done before, I couldn't believe how heavy that thing was. It was like, holy crap, man. That thing weighed a ton. So what I'm worried about here is the fact that there was a lot of gaps in between. Like here, there's a big old gap. There's like a 2-inch gap in between where the weather stripping split apart. And I'm hoping there's not a whole lot of rust damage there, which is possible because it's been sitting out in the field for a long time and out in the rain until I got to it. So hopefully there won't be a whole lot of damage. Whew. Man. But the front window, I'm going to keep and reuse it. There's just maybe, there's one little, looks like a little rock hit it right here. You get one of those little chips type thing, you know, looks like a BB gun hit it or something like that type chip. So I'll just have one of those window guys maybe patch that up, you know. And there's another one in the middle there on top. Hopefully we can get that one taken care of, because I really would not want to have to go through the trouble of spending the money on a new window if I don't have to. You know, only if I have to. It's not a show truck, so it doesn't have to look pretty, you know. Yeah. Some of you are probably cringing at the way I'm doing this right now, but you know what? I don't have proper tools, and honestly, I don't care. I don't really, I care, but I don't care. You know what I mean? So, it's coming out. Doesn't seem to be any problem here. And my phone just went off. Alright, let's see who it is. Time to pause this. Where did I leave my tools at? So we got half of this off of here. Let's get the other half off now. Okay, let's see what we got going on. Oh, that was kind of easy on that part. Yeah, this stuff's like welded on there. It's so old. Well, not even old. It's just so sun-baked. Stuff like, it's like welded and glued itself to the truck itself, man. But we got it out on this side. Let's go ahead and move over to the driver's side and get that one out of there. Okay, well this side's loose. Let's see what we can do. You know what? Let me get these. I've got these suction cups here. Okay. So I picked these up, Harbor Freight. Wondering if maybe I'll need them. I don't know. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Let's see what happens. Holy Toledo. That baby is... God, what do you use? Cement or something? There we go. Okay. Boy, they really had this glued in there. Whew. Man. Yeah, that's some pretty tough stuff there, man. There we go. I think we got it. Oh yeah. There we go. Whew. I knew it was going to be hard, but geez Louise. I didn't know it was going to take this much effort to take the window off. But like I said, this rubber seal's been on here for so long. It's like welded itself to the window, and it won't let go. I'm having to put some extra effort into it. All right. There we go. Little blob there. Whew. Man. What's up, camera? Got my action camera inside the cab on a fast forward loop just for some extra footage. It's watching me try to take this apart. All right. Whew. Lordy, lordy, lordy. All right. Damn it. Now I gotta use my bat hand. Oh, luckily the top's not as hard. It's actually kind of soft. Let's see if I could use my good hand. Yeah, the top's not, it's weird. The top's not baked on there. Like the bottom was. Maybe because the sun didn't hit it like it did the bottom. Okay. Whew. There we go. Look at that. Big chunks. Big chunks. From what I've seen so far, all right, so there we have it. We're going to go ahead and call it on that. And tomorrow is Sunday, so I don't work on Sundays. It's family day. You know, we spend time with the family, go to church and stuff. But come Monday, we're going to get back on it. Start sanding down the outside of it, I guess you would say the window channel or whatever you want to call it. But I'll go ahead and start cleaning that up and everything. Do one last sanding around the inside. Pull the doors. And I say we primer. Alright. So until next week, y'all have a good rest of your weekend. Take care. Subscribe. Hope you're enjoying the videos and following me in my journey of restoration. And if so, subscribe. You know, I'm only 6 subscribers away from hitting 200. Woohoo! I mean, it's no biggie. I'm just doing this for fun. But wow, 200, okay. So y'all have a good weekend and everything, and God bless.